Do you like to cast votes? Yes or no? Okay, let me hear your answers in the comments. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing, and today I'll be teaching you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. Simple ways to collect surveys or allow people to make a decision in a WhatsApp group or a personal chat. So open your WhatsApp and open the particular message, maybe a personal chat or a group that you want to create the poll on. Click on this pin like button here. When you click on it, then click on poll, whatever it's. Click on it. Then you'll be able to ask your question and also add options that people can choose from by just selecting one. So I'm going to ask this question: what's your favorite color? So we have different colors, and your answer is going to guide me in making a decision on maybe if I'm a clothes dealer or I want to get a particular color for a group occasion. If majority of the people in the group voted red, that means the group will go with red. That kind of thing. So that's what polls are like. They guide in decision making, and very, very simple to create and very, very good. You don't need to start calling people one by one to say, what do you think about this? What's your answer to this? And some people may not be even available to take your calls. But once you see this, you answer and you make a decision. So you can allow multiple answers or you uncheck it. When you click on this send icon, your poll will be created and people will be able to do what? Vote. And you can also view vote when someone has voted. So for instance, I voted blue, then view votes is highlighted because someone has voted. So I can click on it and view how many people that have voted and see what their vote is. So basically the highest votes, is used for decision making. So it's very simple and easy to create. Because we said that people can only make one choice, that is why this vote is like this. So I'm creating another one, the same question, but this time around people can choose more than one answer. So I'm not going to uncheck this allow multiple answers so that people will have the option of voting more than one color. So once I'm done creating, adding the colors and just putting all of this together and send to the group. Once I click send to the group, the poll will be created. But now someone can vote white, red and blue. When you click on view votes, you see that each of these colors has one vote each. Unlike this other one that if you click on any color, the previous one will be unchecked. So that's how to create poll on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and support my work. See you in my next video.